Namaste friends and welcome to Believer Trader. Today, 21/5/2026, we have observed a very easy trades here, but somewhat it was some difficult also at the same time. So do check here 75 350 level breakdown, and we have entered here and we broke up to 75 160. There that we have entered at around 75 350. Once again the candle was confirmed here around 75 300 and went up to 75 300. These two were the very important trends and very easy trades where we have observed here. And anyway the market has even given a gap up but didn't sustain all the way throughout the day, but it lost all the things what it had gained from the yesterday. So let's remove all the drawings and let's start our analysis for tomorrow in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Midcap Nifty, and Sensex. And we leave all F&O stocks because they are all going to be for a monthly expiry. Okay, so let us put it in a Nifty here. So all drawings are removed here. We'll put it in a day angle. Look at this one. Market has opened gap up, but it didn't sustain, and we will draw a major levels here. First, number one, horizontal line, the top line 23,800 major level, which was broken today. Even though market opened very high, about 23,800 up to 23,860, but it lost all the way. Anyway, one more level I'm going to draw on the bottom side, that is 23,600. It's a major level support. If it is failed, then market can even slip to 23,400, which is where market is even giving a gap down, but it's not sustaining the downside there. So we'll put it to the 15 minutes to understand what's happening in now. Okay, look at this one system. Market showing that yes, it is got rejected from the upside here from 23,800 once again. And where will market open? Okay, first point, if market opens around 23,700 or 23,650 level, let's understand this could be a range bound here because of a seller's buyers fight between this zone. And whereas if you think market goes downside, then if market breaks 23,600 level, then lower high construction is happening here. Then you can think even to 23,500 and 23,400 both target are going to open in the downside there. Whereas even market opens around 23,720 above also, like gap up. But even though we have a very immediate rejection or resistance here, so you can just expect a small momentum here, and this is not going to be easy trade here. Whereas one more time I can say that if market by mistake opens gap ups around 23,800 and it is able to sustain a higher low structure, then definitely market could be expecting 24,000. But market is not sustaining above that level and it is failing again and again here. So anyway, one more type market if caps down around 23,500. So in that situation, let's see that market is it going to like gap fill up, or is it going to break down the level to 23,400? These two important aspects are going to be expected tomorrow. And let's see the option chain here. Option chain shows that yes, 23,500 carries a highest open interest around 76 lakh, and whereas 76 lakh around 23,700 where actually market is closed. Okay, anyway, a 23,800 also carries a highest open interest around 85 lakh. If it is passing above that level by mistake, market is giving a gap up or positive momentum, then 24 is highly expected there. Whereas if market breaking down 23,600 means market is going to go 23,500, which market clearly indicates right now. Okay, one more things of sign of like sign of indication is that we have a IV crush also on Fridays most of time, and even on Friday you will observe theta decay of 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday. So do check that option buying is could be a difficult for tomorrow trade. So try to be neutral or hedged positions tomorrow. Okay, let's see. This Sensex has given a fantastic momentum from the top here, but we can draw best support trend line here. Look here, this is that support trend line here which market is respecting that one. Okay, if markets are going to respect this trend line, then obviously market will hold. Otherwise this is a major level support if I can draw properly. Yes, so 75,000 where horizontal and trend line supports are going to meet here. If it is failing here, then market would be ranging to 74,600 to 74,000 level also. The two targets are going to open here. Whereas if market opens around like flat here around 75,200 and 75,150 level, market do be expect a range bound here. Though if market presses about 75,400 level, do expect a market slow upside till 75,800 where market got rejected from that level. Okay, so this is what the in Sensex here, even though gap ups can be observed around 75,800, though its sustenance is above that level is most important, otherwise rejection from that level. Whereas gap down also can be expected here around 74,600 here. So though if it happens, the first it will do a gap refill, and otherwise it will break the downside here to go for 74,000 in the target here. So let's see what will happen in this one. And your today its expiry is happened, so no thinking about options expire, like option change. Bank Nifty, okay, look at here. Yesterday we have discussed about this level, that is level about 53,800. If sustains, we are expecting 54,400, but market did fail here and gone up to 53,200. Yes, of course we have a monthly expiry for this one, and we hardly have, do check your option chain, 2 days like holiday, like on Saturday, Sunday, and tomorrow day don't count it. Monday is also only one working day you can expect here, and expiry on Tuesday. So options are going to decay very much faster if VIX is going to fall, and even theta is going to accelerate from tomorrow. Okay, for that purpose, if market opens very flatly around 53,600 or 53,200, try to be range bound here, because market is telling here this is where major sellings were used to happen here, and market broke down that level once again. So sellers presence here and buyers presence here, do check the strangle positions, could be very easier. Otherwise you can do a boundary trading here, even though gap down 52,800 level could support as a like buying a call or selling the puts around this level. So we could try this boundary, and do note down here 53,700 level and 52,900 level on the bottom side here. Let us switch out to my Finifty here, and let me remove all drawings here, and let's see what's happening here. From yesterday support, like trend line rejection to trend line support, and market is showing like 25,100 level. Do check here around 25,100 as a major level support is there. If 25,100 is going to break, then market is going to break till 24,800 level also could be expected from this level. Okay, anyway, if market opens around 25,250 to 25,150 level, the range could be happening here. If this is a range, then obviously a short triangle will help us a lot. Okay, if market passes around 25,300 above, do expect a market to expect around 24,450 level. Though market's turning bearish, means we expect a trend continuation here. If breaks 25,100, then definitely we are going to for negative side, or in options call rating side here. Nifty mid cap also consolidated around 14,351 here, and let me remove all drawings and draw a major levels here. Do check here from the top, we have a rejection around this one, where market actually opened above that level 14,400, but it started breaking from that level, and it closed around 14,350 level. So in the bottom side we have a support around this level around 14,300. Yes, of course market, if it's opening very flat around 14,320 or 280, does not make any sense here. But if breaks this level 14,280 level and making a lower high structure, makes market could be dragging more downside here till 14,160 level also. Anyway, market, if it's opening flat also and going up to 14,450 also, a rejection is expected here, because the earlier price action history and market broke down this level today. Though market if breaks this level, then only we can think yeah, market can go till 14,520 or 560 level, but this can be hardly possible here. So do check out boundary trading or either of the value zones to check the positions. Okay, one more caution point here. VIX is like about to fall about 3%, already fallen here. So from yesterday, and global sentiments are looking very cool here. Though global sentiments are very good, but our sentiment of the Nifty is not considering holding here. Might be a reason of rupee fall against a dollar is main issue. Anyway, so apart from this one, any changes will be there. The changes will be updated in the Telegram group, which is in the description. Do check out here. And in case any changes will be needed there, do check out, or you can do WhatsApp us, message us, and do call us to clarify your doubts. Anyway, if you are liking the video in the English version, then definitely you are going to share with this any your friend who are comfortable in English to watch out this video. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much now.